Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Audi R8, a heritage of performance, luxury, and exquisite detailing. That, quite simply, is what the R8 is all about. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, rear-wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.